We listen and we don't judge. Sometimes when I'm driving and you think that I didn't see a curb, I actually did. It's just, it was easier to go over it.
But
we listen and we don't judge. We listen and we don't.
You're not gonna cut it,
You're still judging. We listen and we don't judge.
That ain't how it goes, baby.
Yes, it is, baby, but don't judge. It's your turn.
We listen and we don't judge. Sometimes when I play the game, I usually have one headphone up so I can hear. But whenever I'm like not in the mood to hear anything, I'll put the other one down so I can act like
you can't hear anything?
Yeah.
When I'm talking. We listen and we don't judge.
We don't.
Sometimes when I need a moment from you, I'll ask if you're going to go play your game, hoping that you'll go play your game so I can go watch my show in peace. We listen and we don't judge.
Sometimes, you know, when we run out of tissue paper, I'll leave the little thing that the tissue roll goes on, like on the floor or somewhere. Or like on
thinking
counter,
that I'm going to change
that
it.
You're going to change it, but you never do.
Because you're we listen and we don't judge.
We don't judge.
Sometimes, if I see you only have like half a bag of chips left, but I know how bad it makes you want to use the bathroom, I just throw them away. So that you don't have any more chips. Because they give you the parts. We listen and we don't judge.
You got it. I think it's time to judge.